Good morning from our last day in Quizarra. Sad. It is Thursday. We are going to work today, and then we are leaving very early tomorrow morning. Look at this beautiful view, as always. Beautiful Costa Rica. Audrey and I slept so well last night. It gets kind of chilly at night, and so Audrey and I have been trying to figure out a way to stay warm all week, and we finally found that by sharing sleeping bags and sleeping close together, we can share heat, and so we slept wonderfully last night. Look at this sky. Look at it. Wow. Anyway, come along as we have our last day here in Quizarra. Everyone was so impressed with our first mural that they want us to do a second one on the front of the school. So Sam's just mapping out some ideas. We have the mission and the vision statement of the school. Tell me about your vision.
Well, we're going to have the world with a little heart on Costa Rica. This is not true to life, this drawing. And then we're going to have little people holding hands around the world in different colors to represent diversity. And then the mission and vision along the side, and a little sign for the name of their school at the top.
Escuela Quizarra. I love it. Woo! This is the septic tank that's going in the big hole. You guys have really done a lot, eh? Good job, Alec. You guys, one over here, these are all my kids. They're so fun. Di hola! Hola! Sí. Bueno. Gracias. We're having like a formal get-together with all of the school kids, and we're bringing donations, and we're all wearing cute things, and I'm wearing Mona's dress that's like 5 sizes too big, and she told me to take it off, but I love it. Where are we going?
En un proyecto a beneficio de la escuela y por ende de los niños y de toda la comunidad, encabezados por don Sterling y don Hilbert, el constructor. Les damos, casi al final, les damos la bienvenida, y aquí tenemos la muestra de la primera visita que se hizo el año anterior, que es el aula de kinder, y que ya hoy está en uso de parte de los niños de preescolar. Va a ser de mucha ayuda para los niños de kinder y
Yeah, Gilbert!
está marcando el hombre. Y a don Sterling también.
Sterling, I'm glad you were born.
Trajeron algunos materiales para uso de los niños en la escuela, así que van a ser entregados los mismos en este momento a los miembros del gobierno estudiantil de la escuela.
had the closing ceremonies / opening ceremonies because we didn't have an opening ceremonies.
Yeah.
We got these cute little Costa Rica
that's upside down.
things and keychains that are supposed to bring you good luck.
Love it.
And my heart is so full.
My heart is so full.
How are your hearts?
So full. They're
So
adorable.
full. There were tears.
We all started crying when they gave us these.
Oh, I was crying really
It was
hard.
and their national anthem.
And now
was
there's
so
just
beautiful.
amazing.
Now there's just a lot of screaming.
Yeah, and a lot of pictures with children.
A lot of pictures with children. Look at this view. Look at it though.
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful. Hi.
Oh yes, welcome.
Hola. Yeah, okay, we gotta go back to work at some point. Hi! But, oh, my heart is full. Anyway, let's go see the progress on the hole. They've got the septic tank in, and I think they're building some sort of trench for the pipes. Wow, you guys have the septic tank buried? I guess I'm standing on it, eh? And you've got the trench. Woo! Hola, Gilbert. So they're doing great with the hole, which is awesome. And yeah, now they're digging a trench to put the pipe for the septic tank. But what we have been working on all day, basically, is the mural here at the front of the school. It's been really cool. This is where we had that ceremony this morning, just up on the little veranda of the school. I love that there's hardly any indoors. But yeah, we had an awesome lunch of like macaroni and cheese. And yeah, I'm getting kind of sad that it's near the end of our time here, but hi friends! Anyway, gonna get back to painting now. Our friends are probably not very happy right now. But we're dry. Freddie gave us a mango. Freddie's the principal of the school. So we were very excited. We're having some good life chats. It stopped raining, and I think I'm going down to help everyone dig trenches because they came over and said they need extra hands. But yeah, we're almost in the mural. I'll show you. It looks so good. Literally 30 seconds later, Sterling comes over. This is a guava or guajava, and there's a tree of it like right over there. So he came over with this. So now we're just having a healthy snack time. But yeah, it's really good. It's guava is what it is, and yeah, seeds.
You want to talk about dramatic? Yeah.
I'm going this way.
I'm on the
I'm going
outside
this
as
way.
always.
Mona,
Hi.
good
You
night.
can't see me, but I'm here.
You're the star of the vlog, of course. Why wouldn't you be?
Who was that?
Who was that? That was Bailey.
Oh.
Bailey, we cut Bailey off when we
Alright, well, it's our last night
Hi,
here. Let me
folks.
just do a quick recap for you. It's our last night here. We had a great day today with the kids. It's really hard to say goodbye. Highs and lows. Reflection activity, windows. We're here now. Cards. I won president, and it's the end of the day. Tomorrow we're going to a park.
Me and Mona really moved up in the world in presidents.
You really did. I'm proud of you.
made a
It was at my
comeback.
expense, but I'm proud of you
We made
for
a
it.
true
Good night, Mona.
Also,
night.
the shirt
ILY.
at Valley Village.
I'm so proud of you. Also, the Hawaiian shirt that Audrey wore today was from Value Village. Mona's feet are still in this
Good night,
vlog.
Alex. Good night, Sam.
That was your that was your face mask. All right, we painted the mural. How do you feel about the mural?
I feel good, but kind of angry about it.
The fact that we spelled it wrong so many.
And it hurt my body so much.
You're not wrong. I hurt standing on a table.
The fact that it didn't start at the ground, so it was so much painting, like with my arm fully straight, was like a lot.
Also, but shout out to Taylor for being tall. Thank you
Yeah.
for having good genes.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with that statement.
I'm really excited for tomorrow. We're going to the beach. Okay, good night. I'm like mostly mad.
Ow. There's a piece of rice, I think, lodged in my lung.
Good night.